Hi, I'm Christina Raj, and I have a very rare medical skin condition called Ichthyosis. It's an autosomal recessive genetic disorder, and in the whole of Asia, I'm the only survivor to have made it till now. Well, there is no cure for this. In fact, the government or even the medical fraternity are not aware of my case. Well, Ichthyosis, which means the skin cells keep multiplying every minute. And in my case, because I belong to a very severe category, it keeps, I think, more sooner than a minute. So, as I keep talking to you, I can feel the skin cells forming the scales, and the skin keeps drying up. When it keeps forming, it starts drying, and when it dries extremely, when it becomes dry, it starts to crack, cut, and then you see the fissures. At times it bleeds. It's a painful condition, so we are in debilitating pain throughout. So apart from the creams and the moisturizers that I use, well, I also have to use almost 50 to 60 band-aids in a day, along with antiseptic cream and antibiotics and painkillers to keep me going. Hmm. In a day, almost 5 or 6 hours are consumed in taking care of myself. That is the reason you see me a little with the face and the neck. It is all clear because I just had a bath. I scrubbed, and I used a wheat hair remover to remove the scales. But in some time again, you will see it very scaly. This condition is very rare, and it not only affects us physically, superficially, the skin level, but as well as mentally, emotionally, and psychologically. So life is very difficult for us. We have to use a lot of strength and willpower to keep us going. Yes, bathing 5 to 6 times in a day, taking care of, saps our energy. Scrubbing, which almost sometimes in the morning, 2.5 to 3 hours bathing and getting ready. I'm exhausted by the time I come out and I'm ready. So this actually puts me down. But again, I pull myself up, stating, no, I cannot afford to be down like this. Yes, I cannot do anything much about it because there's no cure, but I have to keep going for people who actually look up to me for inspiration. People like me with my condition, similar condition. Yes, because of the skin condition, uh, my vision is hampered. I just have 40% vision. As the skin keeps drying and goes taut, it tries to pull the skin, and the cornea goes dry and it starts hurting. So the vision gets more blurred. My hearing gets impaired because of the skin cells that keep forming in the ear. After some time, it becomes difficult for me to hear, so I have to keep cleaning throughout. Always, I use a Q-tip. I keep a Q-tip with me to keep cleaning the ear. And then even I have issues. So I have challenges, mobility challenges, because when the hand dries, when the skin dries, the fingers get distorted or contorted, and I cannot straighten them, nor can I bend, nor can I hold anything, nor can I type or write. And standing also becomes challenging because my toes get curled inward, and there are lots of cuts and cracks. So it's a very painful condition which we cannot express. Yes, I have found few children very young, and most of them are from impoverished families. They do not know about how to take care of themselves, and yes, they have no education because, based on the physical appearance, the schools and the colleges they refuse admission. So that is a no norm. So it's very difficult for them. So I have started a fundraiser to help these children, at least give them some relief from the pain what they are going through. All right, so that we can supply some basic creams and lotions. And I have associated with Dream and Belief Foundation, and it is, I would be really happy if you could help me in this great cause of mine. All I request you is 500 rupees per person so that this would bring a smile to a child who is in great pain, and it will also ease the pain that he is going through. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.